Hola muchachos. One more very short review on all of our pronouns and their pronunciation. I, of course, is yo. You, one person, is tú with an accent. That is you, one person, tú. Then we have he, is él, with an accent also. She is ella. And then we have an extra form of a you in Espanol, and that is with a formal person. Okay, so that's how you would speak to me. I would speak to my boss, to my parents, and that is usted. Then we, of course, is nosotros. They is split up in feminine and masculine. It's ellos and ellas. And then you, where there's two or more people, that's something I would do if I stand in front of the class and I say, did you finish your homework, all of you? That would be ustedes. Sometimes usted and ustedes are abbreviated when you see it in writing. It could be UD, period, or UDS. One thing to keep in mind is that everything on this side is singular. These are all one person. And the ones on this side are two or more, right? Pronunciation-wise, ella, ellos, ellas. The two L's sound like a Y. Ella, ellos, ellas.